my son and my daughter is helping me to put this solar light for the fence. It is very excellent solar lights, give you bright lights. These lights we bought it from Costco. It is one of the great products out there, and very cheap. Only I believe was only $23 per carton. Is retain 4 of them. As you can see, very easy to install, and as you just open the box. What do? You open the box. So after that, you just take it out from the box. As you can see, I already did one of them install to show you how it is. Looks is very too easy to install and very like time efficient. So it takes you maybe like one of them to install only 2 or 3 minutes, which is very good. If you need a fast timer, say you might need instructions. And also the kits with that, you have your if you need to anchor it, you can anchor. Also you have a screw with that, but the wood I'm packing one of those solar LED lights. This you can unpack, and when I unpack, I put the garbage in one area, and you just take off this, and also this comes out. It's on clip, so you just very easy to come out. You take off your battery release, then you just 2 parts, you keep it in one area safe so you don't break. I'm going to install in the next area. As I said, I use the drill sets. What I'm going to do, I'm going to install right over here on the beam, and so I am using my eye measurement, because if you don't very sure your eye measurement, you can use measuring tapes or something, and because it's outdoor, I'm not doing very good. So I install one of the screw right here. Don't drill all the way down, just halfway, and you just what you do is has a pre-installed thing. So you put one screw back inside. See, it's holding. Now you balance it up. If you need a balance leveler, you can do that, but I am doing all my own eyes balancing. So what I'm doing, I'm just tightening up one screw and holding, so it's straight. As you see, I already tied up. This thing is pretty solid now, and don't have, if you have a longer bits, it's more easier for you. If you have a shorter, you will have a little bit challenging, so I recommend you use the longer bits to screw it. And you put a screw back and another one, and just nicely tight it up. Make sure you don't slowly, you don't over tight or anything, then you might break the metal, right? It's very soft metal, as you see, very secure and it's strong. Now so your solar part, we did the prep before. So what you do, you just take nicely and make sure you put it nicely and clip it in there. So make sure it goes in properly. See, as you see, tied it up good. Voila, done. And nighttime we'll take another video how it looks when it lights up, and we'll be back. As I said, see, nighttime my lights, how it looks so beautiful all around. Sorry, I'm doing the from my window, so I mean, I'm upstairs showing you how it looks. I did also my neighbors same lights, we wanted to look same pattern. Looks beautiful, and you'll enjoy it.